Hello, everyone. We'll continue with the laws of Pesach. Many people ask, what is Hametz? Like, what could become Hametz? Is rice Hametz? Is corn Hametz? Is chickpeas? Are there Hametz? So, according to Torah, only 5 types of grain could become Hametz. And they are wheat, barley, rye, oats, and spelt. So, which means if you turn them into flour, and you mix in the water, and the mixture turns into chametz. It could turn into chametz. But also, besides the flour, if you take the grain, the wheat grain, the barley grain, the rye grain, the oat grain, or the spelt grain, and if it touches the water, it eventually also could become chametz. It could turn into chametz. But everything else, like if it's not wheat, barley, rye, oat, or spelt, if it's corn, rice, or everything else is not chametz. According to Torah, it's not chametz. There's no problem with chametz in these products, in these things. However, over the years, some communities made a custom for themselves. They accepted a custom not to eat certain types of things. So, for example, Ashkenazi Jews, they did not eat. They accepted upon themselves not to eat kitniot. Now, what is kitniot? Like rice, beans, all types of beans, and rice, and like corn. All these things they do not eat, and there are like different reasons why they don't eat these things. Some say because the bags that they kept wheat inside, those same bags they used to put rice inside and beans inside and all other kitniot, and therefore they were afraid maybe the grain of wheat could got mixed up during Pesach, and got mixed up, and they will find it during Pesach. They'll find it in the food, and eventually to become chametz. So Ashkenazi Jews accepted upon themselves not to eat kitniot, but Sephardic Jews do not have that custom, and they do eat kitniot. So only thing that they don't eat is chametz. That's it. Whatever the Torah says chametz is. Now there are different customs, of course. Like, for example, Moroccan Jews. Some Moroccan Jews don't eat rice on Pesach. They eat other kitniot, but they don't eat rice. Different types of Jews. Some don't eat chickpeas. Some don't eat kitniot, but they do eat rice. Everyone has their own minhagim. But according to the Torah, what's called chametz, only 5 types of grains, and the kitniot is only a minhag. Okay.